traded tiles for a CB400T motorbike. I was told it was a 250, but it's actually a 400cc. I've taken out the engine, so I'm going to just show you the motorbike. There's the bike, and the engine's out. 20 years in storage. So what I'm doing here is just working out a quick idea for the battery rack. I gotta see what kind of batteries I get. Anyways, that's it. I redid the wheel, and the hydraulic brakes were jammed. Front and back were jammed. We'll see how it goes. There, you can see how much lighter it is. It's about 190 pounds as it stands. And that's it at the moment. We'll see how we get further on. Ordered a new cable for the speedometer. It was snapped and the speedometer itself was broke. I've cleaned up the rest.